Welcome. In front of me is a ASUS ROG Phone 2, and today I will show you how to put the device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold power key, select power off, and wait for the device to shut off. Once it has, you then want to hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. And we should be then in the boot mode. So from here, using only volume up, you want to select recovery mode, as it will be visible kind of like it is for me right now. But you just want to cycle through it till you see recovery mode, and then press power key to confirm it. And we should then be in recovery mode right about now. There we go. So you can see recovery mode. Now from here you can use both of the volume keys to navigate, as you can see, and you can reboot the device from here, reboot to bootloader, which will go back to where we were, wipe data, which basically resets the device, and simply power off the device. Now whatever you select, you then want to confirm it with the power key. So because I want to go back to the Android, I'm gonna select reboot system now, confirm it with power, and simply wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.